What is up, guys? We're gonna paint all these pins using Power Wash. Let's go. So what we're gonna do for this, hey, Galloway, we're gonna take all these colors right here and we're gonna write them on this spinny wheel. If you remember in this video right here, we did the same thing, but with alcohol inks. This time we're gonna do spray paint. Hey, it's your turn now. Power Wash and randomly see how beautiful it comes or terrible. I don't know. We'll see. So we're starting with a white base on every single one of these. My plan is I'm just gonna spin, get two colors, and we're gonna do a fade on top, fade on the bottom, and the white splotches will be left white, kind of like this right here. This one I did kind of like a rendition of my drip lip tumbler that I did with the coral on the bottom and the teal on the top. So we might get another one of these. I don't know. It's up to the wheel. Without further ado, let's get started with our first two colors. Fingers crossed. At least there's no flamingo on here. All right, the first one, brilliant blue. Next color. And grape. Where's my grape? There it is. So this one's gonna be a mix of brilliant blue and grape. I feel like that's gonna be a winner. Let's go. So I'm gonna show you the first couple of these done, and then afterwards we'll just reveal what the colors look like because it's kind of redundant, and you get the idea, okay? So get a little prime here. I don't know what kind of pattern I'm going for. I don't really care. Just something cool. I feel like that'd be good. Purple on the bottom, I already shook them. Maybe I didn't shake it enough. This nozzle's a piece of junk. And blue. Oop, there you go. Hey, glad you decided to come out there, buddy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of fog the middle like that. Boom, let's go wash it off. I was right. That one looks amazing. I love it. Look at that purple and the blue and a little mist in there. I got a big spot there. I don't care. It's gonna look sick when you epoxy it. Everything looks better under epoxy. And I've got some nice things going on. So let's move on to the next one. All right, let's get going for the next range of colors. For these two, we got, whoop, where are you at? Gumdrop. Let's move you up a little bit. There you are, that's better. Gumdrop, which is this color. Nope, that's not it. That looks like gum. Okay, this is Gumdrop. Okay, and the next color. Lagoon. Oh, I love that color, Lagoon. Look at this color right here. Is this color not sick? These, that'll be crazy. Let's see what that looks like. All right, we've got our pen, we got our Power Wash, so let's do some kind of little squirt around. Let's do the lavender, shook it up. Or gum. Well, that's pretty. Look at that. Let's see. This color is like, woo, this might be one of my favorite colors ever. I think I'm gonna put some more faded off. Let's go see what it looks like. All right, I really like that. My favorite part's right here, where you see I got a little speckly of this color onto this. If I had to do this again, I feel like I'd spray the whole thing the lavenderish color and then mist this color over. I feel like that'd be sick. What do you think? Next, random color number one. Brilliant blue. Color number two. Apple red. Let's see what that looks like. First, Power Wash. Next, brilliant blue. Now for the apple red. And that will look like this. Woo, hey boy, I tell you what, it'll look like America. America, God shed his grace on thee. Now for the next pin. We're going to do key lime. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's key lime. Very light, very, very light. Maybe we'll get a darker color for a contrast. Let's find out. Oh my gosh. Apple red? Oh, that's gonna be terrible. Oh, shoo. Not really sure about this. Let's see. All right, let's see what this turns into. I'm gonna hold the Power Wash back and get like some misters on there. Mister? Hey, mister. That'll be good. And then let's do the green on the bottom. Oh, that's beautiful color. Holy cow. I'm gonna go up kind of high because the red's gonna be a lot more dominant. Ooh. Hey, it'd help if you hit the pin there, buddy. All right, it's kind of like an apple. There you go. Let's go wash it off, see what it looks like. What? We get out of town. I thought that was gonna be terrible. That's awesome. Look at that. That turned out so nice. What? That might be one of my favorite ones. Absolutely love that. Wow. Who knew? Oh, well, whatever. The rest of them, I'm just gonna spin the wheel and then show you what it looks like afterwards. Without further ado, let's see what the next lucky pen is gonna look like. So far we got winners. Violet, that's this one right here. Kind of berry looking to me, I don't know, it says violet. It doesn't look very violet, but hey, read it, that's what it says. Galloway, I wanted to get the next one. Violet and coral, where's coral? Ooh, I'm liking where this is going, look at that. I believe that's gonna be a winner. Let's see what it looks like.
I'm cheating!
Ooh-wee. That mug is hot. That color combination is so crazy good. Look at that color right there. Where that fades into that. Oh, that's beautiful. And remember, like I said, epoxy, these mugs brighten up and it looks like, just like that. So beautiful. I'm excited. Let's keep going. We got a lot to do. Ooh, I am almost convinced that you cannot pick two colors that look bad together. They all, with the power wash, look amazing. You are a beautiful thing. Who needs you for dishes? What? Next one. Watch it prove me wrong this time. Berry pink. Where are you, Berry? Berry pink. That's a pretty one right there. I like that. Next, what's your partner's name? Is gonna be, whoa! Oh yeah, that is gonna be crazy. It's talking about springtime, baby. What's that look like? Oh yes. I tell you what, this mug's got me in the mood for some strawberry lemonade. God, look at that thing right there. Look at that right there. Oh, that's so pretty. God, it's so bright. That's delicious. Let's go. Okay, let's see who the next pen is gonna be. We got key lime. Oh yeah, this one right here. That's pretty. It's pretty nice. I kind of wish we wouldn't get the same colors again, but whatever. And your blendy is gonna be brilliant blue. Have we done brilliant blue? We've done brilliant blue. What did we do brilliant blue with? Oh, with purple. Oh. I'm a little skeptical about this one. Oh, well, here we go. Let's see. It is true. You can't pick two bad colors together. This one kind of reminds me of the Toy Story car. Little RC car. I like it. I'm good with it. Let's keep going, baby. All right, now to keep this video from getting so long, we have quite a few more pins to do. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give the wheel one more big spin and then we'll see what the rest of them look like. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. All right. I know that you're expecting to see what all those beautiful pins look like. But I got bad news, sorta. I already gave them all away. Wait, good news. I still have these that I made in this video here from my 5 most popular videos on the channel, tumblers. I turned them into pins, you remember that. And by the end of the next video coming out next week, you will know if yes you guys, won one of these pins. Also, next week's video, you will be able to see me give away all those pins that you are hoping to see right now because I was editing and I thought I shot some footage, but I didn't, and they're gone. So I can't shoot any footage of something that is not there, okay? But you will get to see that next week, so be looking for that. I know you guys hate it, love it, whatever you want to call it, when I make you wait. But if I don't give you something to wait for, what do you be looking forward to, So have a good week. Holler at me on my Facebook page, my private Facebook group, and if you don't know, the password is